Hello my hearties, welcome to my channel. Join me. Today I'm going to be making chicken and potato dinner. This is me spicing up the chicken. You can actually mix this up with your hands. I just didn't want to touch the spice. It was already choking me at this moment. I just wanted to spread around the chicken. I noticed I needed more of this, so I added more. And here is garlic. And you cover and set aside for it to marinate for. You can do this overnight or for a few hours. Then we have our carrots. Chop the carrots. You can chop it in any size you want. This is how I wanted mine. Then I have our bell peppers, the red, green, yellow. It's always complete. I must buy the complete set of red, green and yellow bell peppers. And then just chop it and keep it aside. And our potatoes, I chop them in big cube chop. And then you have vegetable oil. And then all I do is just fry this chicken a bit. Not really fry, but just lightly saute a bit. And when it's a bit golden brown, I added the potatoes and added chicken broth. This is chicken broth from pre-cooked chicken I kept in the freezer. And then just little salt to taste. You can add more water if you wish. In another saucepan, I added vegetable oil and I sauteed onions, garlic and ginger. Then I added pepper, seasoning cubes. I didn't know much of this because salt. I didn't know much of the spice because the broth was already spiced and the chicken was spiced. So I added thyme. And then the bell pepper and the carrot, and give it a good mix. You won't leave this on fire for a very long time, just for it to heat up a bit. And then when it's ready, you check the potato to see if it's a bit soft. So it's time to add the sauce to the cooking potato and chicken. This recipe is so easy and nutritious. You can cover and set aside for a while. Here I have my corn flour, and you mix it with lukewarm water, and just like you're mixing custard or pap. Make sure there's no lump in it. And this is going to serve as a thickener for the recipe. And then you add it to the boiling potato and chicken and give it a good mix. You'll notice that it's becoming thicker, and you cook for a while, and that's it. Our potato and chicken dinner is ready. Believe me, this tastes so good. It's so healthy and very easy to make. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe if you've not done that already. You can leave a comment also. Let us know what you think about this recipe if you try it, and share this video please. Thank you for watching. Bye.